This exceptional 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 comes equipped with a responsive 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a smooth shifting automatic with overdrive transmission, and has the control of 4-wheel drive. This quad-cab pickup has supportive medium slate gray seats, only 51,932 miles, and its electronic features include a keyless entry system and a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes on both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.